Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monopoly Go, "We're sorry, an error occurred requiring the game to restart" error. The error message reads, "We're sorry, an error occurred requiring the game to restart." As per our research, the error occurs when players try to play the game, but it keeps restarting every few minutes. Many players have reported that the game crashes frequently, making it impossible to progress, especially during time-limited events. According to our research, the error is likely caused by a bug related to any cards or anything similar. Players who receive some specific cards seem to experience crashes. Before trying any troubleshooting steps, make sure there are no pending updates for the game. If an update is available, install it and check if the error still persists. Some players have found that the "Making a Splash" Gold 4-star card is causing the issue. If you have this card, it may be the reason for the crashes. Try opening a dice roll or card pack, as some players reported that doing this removes the problematic card. If you can access the game briefly before it crashes, try purchasing any in-game pack. Some players were able to fix the issue by buying a pack from Endless Bargains for $2, which removed the problematic card from their inventory, resulting in fixing the error. If the error still occurs, uninstall and reinstall Monopoly Go. Once reinstalled, launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. If reinstalling the game does not fix the error, the issue may be server-side or due to a game bug. In this case, wait for a few hours and try again. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the Monopoly Go support team for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.